In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on inline editing in Salesforce. This feature is a real-time saver, allowing you to make changes directly within reports rather than navigating through multiple screens. You'll find this particularly beneficial in a fast-paced environment where efficiency is key. First, let's navigate to your Salesforce home. This is your starting point for accessing all the powerful tools Salesforce offers. Once you've logged in, your dashboard will be your central hub for accessing various settings and customizations. Now, look for the quick Settings icon. It's typically located in the upper right corner of your home page. This handy tool allows you to streamline your navigation process and get to the settings you need without hassle. Click on it to access more options. From there, you'll see an option to open Advanced Setup. This section gives you access to more detailed settings and configurations, paving the way for more personalized control over your Salesforce environment. Click on Open Advanced Setup to proceed. Once you're in the Advanced Setup menu, use the search bar at the top to look for Reports and Dashboard Settings. This is the section where you'll manage all settings related to your reports and dashboards, which play a crucial role in visualizing your data effectively. Typing this in will bring you directly to the relevant configuration area, saving you time. After locating and selecting reports and dashboard settings from the search results, you'll see a list of options pertaining to your reports. Here we want to focus on a specific setting called Enable Inline Editing in Reports. This particular feature, only available in Lightning Experience, allows you to edit inline directly. When you find the option to Enable Inline Editing in Reports, take a moment to read through the brief description provided. In essence, enabling this feature will allow users to make changes to record fields directly from report views, dramatically enhancing user interface efficiency and user experience. Ensure that the checkbox next to this option is ticked, indicating that inline editing is activated. Once you've confirmed the inline editing option is checked, your final task is simple. Just click Save. This step ensures that any adjustments you've made take effect immediately. A confirmation message might appear, letting you know that changes have been successfully saved. And there you have it. You've now enabled inline editing in Salesforce, a feature that transforms the way you interact with your data, making changes quicker and more seamlessly than ever before. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks.